You have an HP EliteBook 740 G1. First thing we're going to do is remove the bezel around the screen. I'll start from the top and then work from the bottom. This one, you don't need any tools. Just use your fingers to pop the clips from the side. And pull up this side once you're at this part. And then it should come off too. Okay. We're going to move these 4 screws. And then we're just gonna pull this here. There's a connector right here, so I'm gonna peel back this tape. And all I gotta do is just pull it out. Move the screen. Put the replacement screen right here. We're just gonna put the connector back in. And then place the screen. Okay, so gonna line it. Okay, now we're going to put the screws back in. And lastly, you're going to put the plastic bezel around the facing screen. Make sure you put the bottom clips in first, and then you're going to snap the rest of the screen in place using your fingers. Okay, that should be it.